How Aquaba and found Bragan and Sam TV GH so what frame Adoo searching him.
Yeah, Ghana for say you did an Adoo bro. You did an Adoo bro papa head. Now every Ghanaian beer who did an Adoo attempt or bastardize no or demonize no or train a boss so cancer me ya fan all because of San National Cathedral we know. We need to come together as a collective and render an unqualified apology to that man. Hey, Abujavo, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Nunto, or say apart from architects, Omukoye Jumawo, National Cathedral land, no so no more criti and manane and euphoniano. Tapit Cassianiano. Apart from Omaka to your motif free $58 million no. Penny, one person will be crying. A free says everything is intact. A being free so. And to say, we are what a sign. Oh, change via National Cathedral. No, ye better Shemuna, Yabetchen and Adoo, say via. Oh, change say ye bet you be a boss when you're better yourself about NC. Yeah, I would dig a flower to be a. Oh. Now, NPP communicators, in all this, I blame you people. What were you doing? What is your work? What is your job? More job description, NDA. Why didn't you people communicate this to the public? What was stopping you? Say, oh, now I was your for the young say, who said National Cathedral land and you see a gift. Board of Trustees are no more a Juma or National Cathedral to bring it to life. No, almost it was actually a gift. Ain't not give to Ben timid a great loss ever sa. Na sa land no so no yesen for properties say guso nyasem ketwa. Judges bungalows say guso yesen Mali ambassador's residence was in passport head office crane was our land no so. Yesen for buildings say guso na was say Adoo e cleaning nyina san compensate omo yesi do baby cross e bi mu cross e de na e court nyina. Inti Sanyama and Nina and my delay tactics actually Adoo Sano. No communicators for no, I don't man communicating. So say what's his name again? A fellow Ghanaians was I forgot his Ralph. Or none spearhead your commission say young fan and Adoo, young China boss and Adoo di Ghana for Ralph, so I felt what you any show. What you any show? Ooh, Adoo, you dear Kafrawati. My name is followers here. Hey, now NPP for being one to say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. What I can say, Ope said National Cathedral, no twice on the other. Now, twice so the case be a better woman or baby, just because they feel like. Say your team demonize your creative propagandas of all sorts against in another they don't see the reason why you should continue National Cathedral. What sounds so crap so sign change the I say what are you trying to do after doing this to the man? Why are you trying to do that? That's hypocrisy. That's it's a whole lot, people. It's crazy because hey Adoo o communicators are more o mamwa mo me hire me. Moon hire me. What? I was tell me what you think in the comments.
John Dramani Mahama Bogana Funyina no Hobase. Say no, you talk about one within the first 120 days. I first Obema Ghana Funyina who the course our National Cathedral. No. Sika Mudi na obachi ubia aide atum. Into a buyer no, and our contracted law firm friends auditing firm here from Deloitte auditing firm, a private auditors. And Omuka say, more National Cathedral nonsense in name. Now for home report embreme. You wish you much and say, firm no every year reporting no as at March. So they submitted the report to John Dramani Mahama, the super incompetent man. I didn't know why silence over him. And we got to realize that it is all because say someone and for Barbontene Ebekaye, some look at the tabla Barbontene, some George Mobarbontene, Sammy Jeff Mobarbontene, Ralph Mobarbontene, due to their peculiar friends interest. Bia now here say I was seeing for more in the binti and that's almost parochial interest being sunti. And near one barb on Tenebekana, Nemo being where in a correct. And then I make us a Ghana is serious nation, and can some make also boys no cry look to a mako boo mokrakeke. No crana make a show. Where? The Domini Mahama, won't mean silence on this report forever. Debbie, easy. Oh, you then have become once because all promise you can afford, and whatever you promised us, no, you must deliver as you promised. So, won't me spell a intro. Enti, Abusa ye bought the Rakachem say, National Cathedral, one city in Punihua, or Mudi. Unless we bit my prove otherwise. Reporting format, your friends say, editing firm, or Munina Babontine. Abeka say, National Cathedral, one city in Pomandio. I didn't know. Yes, but one more Babontine with 2 foot through Ghana for and say, Monsa Marabeka said there be a ceremony, none danko kufodo, ye pomacho. Na me minim se kama ye adwumantem sei. Kama say ye adwuma pa.
Hey, Chamopoko nyanya ko poti ase. Mikase by this time NDC buy ya Chamopoko nyina won sanwem. Dede pa omu ye wo kromu ha. Adapapa omu cha Chamopoko nyina. Eni na pamfo o National Cathedral hu. Including me akasakasa mi Church of Pentecost, some elders are minimum, some members are minimum. Didi omudidi Chamopoko nyina tem. Edi National Cathedral didi Chamopoko nyina tem e wo Ghana ha. Mikai ebra na kakakra ebeko general election. There was a rumor say Dr. Baumia Peso ko yi Chamopoko nyina se ni running mate. Didi omudidi Chamopoko nyina tem, including some elders are minimum. And ne Auditor General report kire say Chamopoko nyina hu son oni na pamfo mu hu son na National Cathedral no obia ni sika. Some feature journalists will be a omo peso mu gu Chamopoko nyina ni mwase e wo Ghana ha. Report ni by what also be aka na no atum. Some fake pastors be a pulpit so no mo kire ma se ni omo si share draws. Ena komudi yen ena mo kwase National Cathedral ena Christopher ena mo die no no medisika na bi ye dede and the God of the whole of the born hwan. Report no by obia kana no atomudin yen yi chama keke Chamopoko nyina Pentecost nyomo e ko otwe ko breman bebre na dodo na ni sasha asebi say ya wo asori Sunday ya wo to nyom no bi wo hwe manim wo de Sunday wo asori akono to Chamopoko nyina nyom no bi fake pastors and again some na mudi ye dede enne mahamani samoku jeto brako ko do UN assembly munkoto aba se ye kan se gay no ye nto so na se ye ntwemu no omu dwane ye what you say pastor be fake pastors be what you say omu ka ho asem Ghana ha wo ho me say ade chiwa bo Nyankopon pa ye say offer the spirit of discernment efandomo enye sa this so-called fake pastors omu di wadwen be kwakoji kokoni kosi